Hi, welcome to our Pharma Topics channel. Welcome to the fourth series of multiple choice questions related to Food Safety Officer exam preparation. Hedonic scale is a sensory analysis which tells about consumer preferences, how many of them accept or how many of them are not satisfied with the food product. Anthocyanins are found in blueberries. As per the provisions of food safety standards, prohibition and restrictions on sales in coffee and other mixtures, only chicory is permitted. Other things are not permitted. Advanced instrument used to measure the color of food products is Hunter Lab. Maillard browning is a result of interaction between proteins and carbohydrates. Prevention of food adulteration (PFAS) are formulated by Central Committee on Food Standards. Only Saccharomyces cerevisiae is used in the preparation of bread making process. It's a yeast. A substance intentionally added that affects the nature and quality of food is called a food material. The butyrorefractometer reading of ghee is measured at 40 degree centigrade. ISO stands for International Organization for Standardization. Central Agmark laboratory is situated in Nagpur. Most accurate method for detection of adulteration of water is freezing point method. The Food Safety Standards Act 2006 received the assent of the President of India in the month of August 2006. Actually, according to the FSS, tea bag products has been banned by FSSAI for the use of stapler pins. No tea bag should contain stapler pins. Uh, Zinc is a part of micronutrient fraction of food. Thermophilic bacteria is the most active in microbial spoilage of canned foods. Polarimetry is generally used for analysis of sugars. The major ingredient for curing is sodium chloride. The FSS Standards Authority of India comprises of 22 members. The unit of refractive index is actually there is no unit, it is unitless. Gum arabic is a type of exudate gum. The following lacks vitamin D, that is plant products. Milk, egg, and fish liver oil contain vitamin D. As per the provisions of FSSA, the misleading advertisement would attract a penalty of 10 lakhs. Total charge on the protein molecule at isoelectric point is 0. As per the FSS regulations 2011, the margarine shall contain not less than 5% of the weight of till oil, that is sesame oil. Number of carbon atoms present in palmitic acid is 16. Export Inspection Council certification is mandatory for export of honey. The unit of current is ampere. As per the provisions of FSS regulations 2011, dehydrated green leafy vegetables should not contain sulfur dioxide more than 2000 ppm parts per million. Black pepper is commonly adulterated with papaya seeds. As per the provisions of food safety standards regulations, recommended dietary allowance is provided by Indian Council of Medical Research that can be applicable for the products marketed in India. FSSAI has issued an advisory banning for use of newspapers for wrapping and packing of food items. The concentration of formaldehyde in formalin solution for the food products is 40% volume by volume. Agmark standards are provided which are approved by Department of Marketing and Inspection. Bureau of Indian Standards BIS mark is mandatory for the mineral waters as per the regulations of Food Safety Standards regulations 2011. The following is responsible for implementation of FSSAI. It is Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. For the nutritional information declaration as per single consumption pack of the product and per serve percentage contribution to recommended dietary allowance is calculated on the basis of 2000 calorie energy per day. Grain is a unit of mass. The Indian Standards Institution was established in the year 1947. Rubber is a non-crystalline solid. Carbon isotopic analysis is used for confirming the origin of honey. Unit of osmotic pressure is Pascal, that is PA. Ergot specified in standards of votes are related to fungi. Main objective of quality assurance program in food industry is to protect the consumers' health. The strongest chemical force among the following is covalent bond. Odor is perceived by olfactory sensation. Apozyme refers to protein part of the enzyme. Naturally occurring sugars are hexoses, are mostly hexoses. Beta galactosidases belong to hydrolases, a class of enzymes. Diamond is an element. Kindly go through other series in the Pharma Topics channel related to Food Safety Officer examination, and all the best for your exam preparations. Thank you for listening. If you like this video, kindly press the like button. Kindly share this to more of your friends. Kindly subscribe to our Pharma Topics channel for further updates. Thank you.